job. Well, here we are in Dublin, and what an awesome crowd. I've been around the whole wide world, never seen anybody so loud. Oh, we've been around the whole wide world, Japan and the USA, but Dublin, Dublin, Ireland is where we want to be. Oh, we've been around the whole wide world, me and my three boys, but Dublin, Dublin, Dublin's where you get that loudest noise. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you in a minute.